Hello everyone. Today I am unboxing two products I received from One Day Savings. One Day Savings is a company with a ton of art supplies like painting by number, puzzles, crochet, cross stitch, tattoo stickers, scrapbooking, nail art, and diamond painting, which is the thing I chose to review when they reached out to me. The first thing I got is a diamond painting landscape. It comes with all the packets of diamonds, the tool, and a little tray to keep the diamonds from going everywhere. I really like this picture and I'm excited to decorate it. This one is 40 by 30 centimeters and has 30 colors. This whole kit was $5.25, which is a really good price for how big this painting is. The second product is a point drill pen with extra tips that can hold up to 9 stones. This makes diamond painting a lot faster and, in my opinion, more satisfying. The pen is weighted very nicely and has a good holding shape. There's also this box of glue clay, I think is what they call it. It's basically used to stick the diamonds to the pen so they're easy to pick up. This set was $7.82. The links for these products and the website are down in the description. Also, One Day Savings is having a mid-year sale right now until July 31st, where you can get $5 off your order if you use the discount code MidYearSale. Thank you to One Day Savings for giving me the opportunity to receive and show off these cool products.